based on a certain input. We're gonna fine tune Diallo GPT, which is made by it's made by Microsoft. They use like Reddit. Yeah, like they use a whole bunch of Reddit conversations to train this. And we're just gonna fine tune this for our purposes. And so yeah, we create our model, and then we have to wrap it in like an API that we're gonna use to actually get responses like we were in the in here. One thing I forgot to mention in the React app is our backend is based on Firebase, which makes it a lot easier, because if you had to build your own backend, like damn. But yeah, so we're using Firebase. What we do in our app is we type in a message that sends it to Firebase and also to our API of the model, where our model lives, and the model returns us some output, and it also posts it to Firebase. And that's how we get it here. So there's a lot of parts to this project. Like it's even for me it was kind of a lot, but I'm gonna try to break it down and try to simplify things. It's definitely a fun project. You can make whatever your favorite podcast or YouTube channel is. You can grab some data and create a generative chatbot based on them. Oh, and for the Lex chatbot, I actually made a site. I think it's like Chat with Lex, but this is not gonna be up. I don't think. Like you can log in. Like the site is the site works, but if you sign in, like let's sign in with a random email. You're not gonna get a response because Lex is the server's down, so Lex is asleep. If you go to chatwithlex.com, you'll be very underwhelmed. Maybe I'll have it running if you want to try to use this. Let me know. I'll get it working. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be going through in this series. A lot of components, working with machine learning models, doing some backend stuff, some server stuff, quite a lot of stuff. It's all free, of course. You don't gotta do nothing, just subscribe, like it, maybe. I don't know. Do what you gonna do. I'm riding between it all in this perfect play. I'm a piece of the puzzle, I'm a fit where you need me.